Basil seeds versus chia seeds. Which is better? What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are small, oval-shaped seeds originating from a flowering plant in the mint family. Chia seeds are renowned for their ability to absorb liquid, forming a gel-like substance that makes them a versatile ingredient in various recipes. Nutritional profile of chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Their impressive nutritional content includes high levels of dietary fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Let's break down the key components. Per 28 g, 1 ounce, serving of chia seeds. Calories, 138. Protein, 4.7 g. Fat, 8.7 g. Carbohydrates, 12 g. Dietary fiber, 9.8 g. Calcium, 179 mg. Iron, 2.2 mg. Omega-3 fatty acids, 5 g. What are basil seeds? Sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds or tukmaria, are derived from the sweet basil plant. Sabja seeds are similar to chia seeds in their ability to absorb water, but they are a bit larger and more oval in shape, often appearing in a mix of gray, black, and white colors. Nutritional profile of Sabja seeds. Sabja seeds boast an impressive nutritional content, offering a range of essential nutrients that contribute to their health benefits. Here's a breakdown of their nutritional profile. Per 28 g, 1 ounce, serving of Sabja seeds. Calories, 110. Protein, 6 g. Fat, 2.5 g. Carbohydrates, 18 g. Dietary fiber, 7 g. Calcium, 300 mg. Iron, 2.7 mg. Chia seeds versus Sabja seeds, a comprehensive comparison of health benefits. Chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds are excellent for weight management due to their high dietary fiber content and ability to absorb water. When consumed, they expand in the stomach, promoting satiety and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular chia seed consumption led to significant reductions in body weight and waist circumference in overweight individuals. Sabja seeds for weight loss. Sabja seeds also support weight loss efforts by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. Their high fiber content slows digestion, helping you feel satisfied for longer periods. Additionally, Sabja seeds contain compounds that may help boost metabolism.